Hi everyone, my name's Steve and I'm a customer success engineer at Plunk. I'm going to show you how to use our example code to display the Plunk home value in under 3 minutes. You'll need the zip file containing the example web app files. These are available upon request using the link in this video's description. You also need an API key from Plunk. If you don't have one, you can request it from our developer portal, which I've also linked in the description. For this example, I'll be using VS Code as my IDE and I have a window open and I'm ready to drop in my example files. Let's first go and look at the README because these are where the instructions live. You can see that there's a table of contents, some requirements, as well as how to get started. As a general overview of the project, you can see there's a node service, some HTML and JavaScript. The node service proxies the data from Plunk's APIs to the web client, and the HTML and JavaScript render the data. Let's make sure that we have the correct requirements before moving forward. Looks like we need to have Node.js 16 or higher. I'm going to check the version that I have on my local machine. Looks like I have a high enough version. I'm also going to check npm to see if I have a high enough version. Okay, looks like I got versions that will work for both of those. If you don't, I would suggest downloading those. I'm going to assume that you've done so. Next thing that we can do is install our dependencies. I'm also going to be using NodeMon. NodeMon is optional, but it'll help us see changes that we make without having to restart our service. So I'm going to download NodeMon. Okay, now we have all our dependencies that we need. The next thing that we're going to do is make sure our env file is in our gitignore file. That way we don't accidentally check in any secrets like our API key. After that, now we need to populate our env file. I'm going to assume that you put your API key in here. I'm not going to show mine. All right, now that we have everything that we need, I'm ready to start my service. Our example listens on HTTP port 4000, so we can navigate to localhost 4000 in the browser after we start our service. As you can see, we can go to the home value and we can look at the pre-built example, and there's Plunk home value. Thank you.